Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVR Channel 1 Plus. I'm your favorite girl, Bella, where we tell you the undiluted truth. Palava, no dey finish. On this episode of Palava, it is sweet, it is pain. But it's actually funny. But watch and we talk about it. So guys, now hey, Nigeria, our people have turned this country, have turned church into a comedy club. Like now, pastors tell guy men, correct men, say, may them carry their beers, their drink, come church, raise the. So now, let's be realistic. What will this drink do to your future? Like a beer, a bottle of beer. What will it add to your account? The pastor will now tell us, will now tell you, I know fool I beg, to bring a bottle of beer to church. And you bring it and raise it up and you guys will be talking. You know, this is what our leaders see, and they take people for granted. This is what the politicians, let me not even say leaders, because leaders are the people that lead in a right way. These are what the politicians of this country usually see and take our people for granted, because they are not giving seriousness. You know, you now dress up, go to the church and start raising bottle up. First of all, do you know that this pastor is using you to cash out? Like to cash out. This pastor is using everybody in this church to cash out. At the end of the day, who is going to drink? I'm sure that this beer, this bottle of drinks, were bought in the church. Of course, now in go sell market. This bottle of drinks, they go buy this thing from the church. These are what politicians see and take people for granted. You know, they've turned our country into a comedy club, taking people for fools. And the people in the country is using themselves as fools. Always don't be serious with whatever the country is doing. Even now, the politicians are using people's head. They are now turning poverty to a weapon. They want to use you as a weapon of poverty. Everybody is now using everybody. Like everybody is now using everybody to cash out. You reason some things where all this pastor said, Jesus Christ, that the pastors are emulating. No offense, but has there ever been a chapter in the Bible where Jesus Christ told the disciples to raise their their bottles of drinks, their glass of wines up to pray with the glass of wine? Even when Jesus Christ turned water into wine, was there in any way he told the people that they should raise the glass of drinks up, that they should pray, and whenever they do the prayers, the glass of drinks will turn to money and their lives will be better? Alcohol, isn't it meant for you to drink at your leisure and feel feel good? When is alcohol now used in the church to pray for prayers? When you say bottle, that's after praying. Now everybody start drinking. Come on now, people. Let's be realistic with our life. How did we get here? How did we get here, my people? This is why it pains us that we see our people running outside the country. Every day, people are traveling out. When you go to the embassies, are they accusing what they are using Nigerians to do? Nigerians are going to leave all these countries. Let me not just shade anybody. All these countries, Palasa countries, they use our people to be joking. Say, well, on the buy na ball. Batana train. And then shift. How did we get here? How did we get here before on tab one? See, we have to be serious with our lives. That way, nda amalo Uche aya adigie. Kuche ga aderia. If you see a video, uche gedia. My people, I need you to share this video. Even every day, palaver na apota. And I did not know that this kind of thing is still happening. The other time, we did a video about people using different flags. Onye ndị niile ji flag a mezie travel, onye ga-afọ n'ụlọ ụka, who will remain in the church in that particular congregation? Okay. Now, let me just finalize this because the producers are warning me. Okay, Maluni, if you use your head, if the politicians are using us, you self use your head. Make the church know they use you catch cruise, because at the end of the day, pastor they use you catch cruise. At the end of say they use you catch cruise, he go make money from you. He's making money from you. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe and turn on your notification bell to know whenever I post Palava, because Palava you know they finish. And also listen to our radio program, Igbo Community Radio USA. I'll put every link on the bio, on the description box for you to click. Don't forget to like and share. Until I come again, Palava, no they finish. Bye-bye.